question was like this: 5x, and then we have 7, then we have -1 equals to 8. This was the question जो कि आपके assessment में था. This was the question, and again the question was solve. We have to solve it, means we have to find the value of the x. So we have to shift everything on the other side first. We cannot shift 7 first. ठीक है, 7 को पहले नहीं shift कर सकते because 7 is involved in an operation on this side. ठीक है, तो you cannot shift 7 on that side. If you are shifting 7 on that side, फिर ये mistake हो जाएगी. तो you will just shift this -1 on this side. ठीक है, तो 5x upon 7 will be as it is, and then you will just shift this -1 on the other side, so it will be inverse operation. This -1 will get positive, so this will be +1, and this will be 5x upon 7. 8 plus 1 will be 9, so equals to 9. Now you will shift this 7 on that side because there is nothing, only one fraction in this side. So now you will shift 7 on that side, so this will become 5x, and you will shift 7 on the other side. It will be multiplied with 9, so 7 times 9 is 63, so I will just write directly 63, and then you will write x, and then since you have to find the value of x, you have to remove this 5. Since 5 is being multiplied over here, so it will get divided, so 63 upon 5 is your final answer. If you want to write it in decimals, you can also write it in decimals, and I think the answer was 12.6. मुझे वेरीफाई कर दो, यही आंसर आ रहा है 12.6. एक और क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं फ्रॉम योर असेसमेंट पेपर, जल्दी से कॉपी कर लो इसको, फिर मुझे बताओ, फिर हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं.
Done.
Done. Okay, so yes, so the next question is you have to simplify and solve. You have to simplify. SIM. This is the last question. ये last question था ना आपके assessment paper का. Simplify and solve by using quadratic formula. ठीक है, you have to use the quadratic formula. कोई मुझे बता सकता है what is the quadratic formula? किसी को याद है quadratic formula?
Minus
X
b
is equals
plus
to
minus
ठीक है, -b, then we
minus
have
b
a,
plus minus
and then we have a
square
square
root
root
Square
square
root
root,
b square
b
minus
square
3
4ac
square
upon 2a.
mi-
minus
minus 4ac upon 2a.
and this 2a is पूरे के नीचे 2 है. ठीक है,
yes
तो अगर आप नहीं लिखोगे तो मिस्टेक का चांस हो सकता है, तो 2a is in the denominator. Okay, so the question is I have two brackets. The first bracket is x plus 3, and the next bracket is x minus 1 equals to, on this side I have 8x minus 7. So first I have to simplify this equation. Simplify means I have to expand, I have to multiply the brackets, and you know how to multiply two brackets. You have to split the
breaking
first one.
bracket method.
ठीक है, so you will split this bracket, you will write x first, and then you will copy the next bracket as it is. This will be x minus 1, and then you will copy the next part of the bracket, that is plus 3, and then you will again copy the same bracket, that is x minus 1. This is the method of multiplying two brackets. ये दो brackets को multiply करने का method है. And then 8x minus 7 will be as it is. Okay, so now you will multiply, since x is outside the bracket, so x will be multiplied with both of these numbers. We will multiply x with x will give me x square. ठीक है, 2x, बहुत सारे बच्चों ने इसको 2x लिख दिया था तो गलत है. x multiplied by x will be x square, and x multiplied by -1 will be minus
Minus
7.
x
And then this 3 will be multiplied with x, it will become plus 3x. And then this positive 3 will be multiplied with -1, and it will give me -3. This is positive 8x, it will shift on that side, it will become negative 8x. And this will become positive 7 equals to 0. Simplify कर लो जल्दी से, add and subtract the like terms. X square, since there is only one term of x square, so I will just write x square. दिस इज माइनस एक्स प्लस थ्री एक्स। अगर कंफ्यूजन हो रही है तो जस्ट राइट द ग्रेटर फर्स्ट। माइनस एट एक्स को पहले लिख लो, इस तरह लिख लो, माइनस एट एक्स and then positive 3x, and then you can write minus x. Minus 3 and plus 7 will give you plus 4 equals to 0. Just add the x terms, जल्दी से x terms को भी simplify कर लो. What will be your answer? क्या हो जाएगा answer? Minus 8x plus, it will be minus
6x.
plus 4
Yes.
equals to 0. Since we have to apply the quadratic formula now, so what we will do, we will just write the values of a, b and c. The value
A
of a
is
is
1
1, the value of b is
minus 6
minus 6, and the value of c is
plus 4.
plus 4. So just write the formula. Formula लिखा हुआ है, just add the values. It is, since the variable is x, so I will start with x. X is equals to minus, formula ka minus, then b is negative, so I will just put it in bracket like this. Then comes the positive and a negative sign. Then comes the square root. Then comes the b. Since b is negative, so I will just put it in the bracket. Minus 4. Inside the bracket, a is 1, c is 4, bracket close, and whole divided by 2 times 2, and then bracket 1. So x will be equals to, this minus and this minus will be positive, so this will be plus. This is positive and a negative sign. Now comes the square root. Minus 6 square means minus 6 multiplied by minus 6, and it will be positive 36, because I know that the negative square of a negative number is always positive. And then this is minus, so this will minus. 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 4 16, so this will be 16, and then whole divided by 2. 2 times 1 is 2 equals to x. This will be 6 plus minus 36 minus 16 will be root 20 divided by 2. Use your calculator to find the square root of 20. What is the square root of 20?
4.4.
4.4. So this will look like this: 6 plus minus 4.4 whole divided by 2. Now we have two, since this is a quadratic equation, there will be two answers. We have two possibilities. First time we will take positive 4.4. So 6 plus positive 4.4 divided by 2. आंसर बता दो क्या आ रहा है जल्दी से.
5.2.
5.2. And then I will subtract 4.4. क्या आ जाएगा आंसर?
0.8.
0.8.